Myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of Sociology, SKJ Law College, Muzaffarpur. Due to COVID-19, our regular class become affected. So today, our college management have decided to continue online classes for all of you. So good morning, all of you. The topic of today is family. So today we will discuss about the family. In this chapter, first we have to go through the introduction of the family. After introduction, what is meaning of family? What is definition of family? What is the forms or types of the family? And what is the basis of the types of the family? So today we will discuss about this topic which I have already told you today. So I am going to start about the introduction of the family. Family is always present in every ages of the society in different forms, in different types. So this family is recognized as a under the universal concept. This family is recognized under the universal concept. परिवार विभिन्न युगों में उपस्थित रहा है. इनके उपस्थित रहने का विभिन्न प्रकार था, जो विभिन्न प्रकार के रूप में उपस्थित रहा है, और इसलिए इसे सार्वभौमिक अवधारणाओं के रूप में देखा जाता है, जाना जाता है. और दिस वर्ड फैमिली इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम the Latin word famulus. The meaning of famulus in Latin is servant. So I am writing few lines on blackboard which is available in my house. It will help you in today class. So meaning of family. So then you will go through the blackboard. The meaning of family. Family is a Latin word which is derived from the Latin word famulus. The meaning of famulus in Latin is servant. I mean to say that in our family, every member is serving their duty for the every members in the family without any selfishness. So there is a lack of selfishness in the family. So family is a that type of group in which all members is helping each other without taking money, and their duty is fully based on their emotions. If they are serving duty for everybody without any selfishness. So this is the great concept of the family. So there is so many types of the family. Before going to the types of the family, we have to first discuss about the basis of the types of the family. So before discuss about the basis of the types of family, first we will know about the definition of the family. What is definition of the family? Different sociologists have given different types of the definition regarding family. But renowned sociologist known as the McIver and Peirce, Eliot and Merrill, Vincent and Richards. So according to McIver and Peirce, family is a group defined by permanent sexual satisfaction for the production and rearing of the children. इन हिंदी, परिवार वह एक निश्चित यौन संबंध युक्त समूह है जिसमें बच्चों का उत्पादन और लालन पालन की व्यवस्था होती है. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? फैमिली कहते हैं. आफ्टर दैट there is another sociologist known as the Eliot and Merrill. He have defined this family, that family is a biological social unit composed of husband, wife and children. परिवार एक ऐसा जैविकीय सामाजिक इकाई है जिसमें पति पत्नी और उनके बच्चे होते हैं. इस तरह एलियट एंड मेरिल ने भी अच्छा डिफिनेशन दिया. दिस वे एलियट एंड मेरिल हैव आल्सो डिफाइंड फैमिली. एंड एट लास्ट, according to Vincent and Richards, family is a group where there is presence of mother and children and a man to look after them. परिवार एक ऐसा समूह है जिसमें माता और उनके बच्चे होते हैं और उनकी देखभाल के लिए एक पुरुष होता है. दिस वे आई हैव गिवन 3 definition for you, because while writing answer of this question in your examination hall, you have to write at least 3 definition, and after writing this 3 definition, you have to write one definition according to yourself. So today, according to myself, family is a biological social unit where there is permanent sexual satisfaction for the production and the rearing of the children. So this way we can satisfy family according to myself. So you have to also write in your examination definition according to you. It may be right, it may be wrong. Your number is not going to deduct. So now, what is the basis of the types of the family? According to different sociologists of the world, there is different basis of the types of the family. First one is on the basis of the number. Second one, lineage or ancestor. Third one, on the basis of power or authority, and on the basis of marriage, and at last on the basis of residence. इस तरह on the basis of the type of the family, so there is on the basis of the number, संख्या के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार, on the basis of lineage or ancestor, types of the family, on the basis of power or authority, the types of the family, on the basis of marriage, the types of the family, on the basis of the residence, types of the family. So there is 5 bases of the types of family according to the different sociologists of the world. संख्या के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार, वंश के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार, सत्ता के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार, विवाह के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार और स्थान के आधार पर परिवार के प्रकार. So we have to go through one by one on the basis of the number, types of the family, on the basis of the number, the types of family. There is 3 types of family according to the basis of number. So I am going to write on the blackboard on the basis of number, types of the family. On the basis of number, first, the types of family is joint family. Second one is nuclear family. Third one is extended family. So there is 3 types of the family on the basis of number. संख्या के आधार पर 3 प्रकार के परिवार होते हैं. जॉइंट फैमिली, संयुक्त परिवार, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, एकांकी परिवार, केंद्रीय परिवार, एकल परिवार, एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, विस्तृत परिवार. So there is 3 types of the family on the basis of number. So what is joint family? Joint family is that type of family where there is presence of 2 or more than 2 generation people under one roof or in common habitation and taking meal from one kitchen is called joint family. संयुक्त परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जो जिसमें 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा जनरेशन के लिए 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा युग के व्यक्ति एक साथ रहते हैं, एक छत के नीचे रहते हैं और एक भोजनालय का बना हुआ भोजन करते हैं. यानी कि joint family is a that type of family where there is presence of 2 or more than 2 generation people living under one roof or one common habitation and taking milk from one kitchen. अर्थात संयुक्त परिवार उसे कहते हैं जिसमें दो या दो से अधिक पीढ़ी के लोग एक छत के नीचे और रहते हैं और एक भोजनालय का बना हुआ भोजन करते हैं, उसको हम संयुक्त परिवार कहते हैं। प्रायः इस तरह के परिवार ग्रामीण परिवेश में देखने को मिलता है और हमारे भारत में इंडियन फैमिली इज रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज ए जॉइंट फैमिली और द रूरल फैमिली। रूरल फैमिली ग्रामीण परिवार और एग्रीगेरियन फैमिली also recognized as a joint family. So this way I have already cleared the concept of the joint family. Now second one, nuclear family. Nuclear family is a that type of family where there is presence of husband, wife and unmarried children. Then that type of family is recognized as a nuclear family. एकांकी परिवार, एकल परिवार और केंद्रीय परिवार, तीनों नाम से जो तीनों से संबोधित किया जाता है न्यूक्लियर फैमिली। कभी कभी एग्जामिनेशन में आ जाता है एकल परिवार की व्याख्या करें, एकांकी परिवार की व्याख्या करें, केंद्रीय परिवार की व्याख्या करें। जो विद्यार्थी हिंदी मीडियम के हैं वो घबराएंगे नहीं। देन रीड द क्वेश्चन, इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन विच इज गिवन इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर. It will clarify your whole concept and know. So nuclear family is a that type of family where there is presence of husband, wife and unmarried children, and this type of family is mostly available in metropolitan cities or big cities. So this way I have already cleared what is nuclear family. Now at last, what is extended family? Extended family इसको विस्तृत परिवार कहा जाता है. Extended family is a that type of family where there is presence of husband relative and wife relative for fulfillment of their objective. That is called extended family. I am just going to clarify this concept again. Your husband relatives, and your father relatives and your mother relatives is coming in your house for fulfillment of their objective. And after fulfillment of their objectives, they again return to their house or the native place that is recognized as a extended family. They are not permanently residing in the house of their relatives. They are coming, they are getting their education, they are doing their job. After transfer or after fulfillment of their objective, they again migrated to their native place. And this type of the situation, this type of the condition is always available in that type of the family. Then that type of family is recognized as a extended family. And this type of family mostly present in a small city of our country. So this way I have already taught you today that what is family, what is meaning of family, what is definition of family, what is basis of types of the family, and what is the types of family on the basis of number. So today you have to know about these all things. If there is any question related with this chapter which I have already taught you today, write in your copy. And when we will meet with each other, then we will discuss about your question which you have written in your copy. So I think I have already clarified all the concept which is related with the family today. So thank you all of you, and go through your self study and make one notes in your copy of today chapter. Thank you all of you.